Welcome to beautiful Roatan, Honduras, and we are re-recording all of the drone footage over the past few years with a brand new drone, brand new camera, so we can see the changes that have occurred on this island. Right now, we are in Sandy Bay over the Lawson Rock Marina, and as you can see, it's in the afternoon, but man, that reef is still absolutely stunning. And well, one of the main reasons many people come to live on this beautiful island. So we started with Sandy Bay. Sandy Bay is a long strip, is actually one of the largest neighborhoods, not Lawson Rock. Lawson Rock is a large planned community. However, Sandy Bay is a large community right outside of West End, right before you get to almost the Coxswain Hole area. But as its name says, Sandy Bay, it's a nice, beautiful sandy beach all along the northern shore of the island. And one of the reasons why I like Lawson Rock in particular, this is the Lawson Rock dock. There's many boat slips for sale. If you are interested, please let me know. I believe there's at least 3 on the market. But this is one, I've decided I'm only showing neighborhoods that, keep with nature a little bit. So this is an older neighborhood. This is Lawson Rock. So all of the houses that you are seeing, there's a couple that are about 5 years. There's one up here that's 5 years old. Others are 15 to 20 years old. Some a little bit older, so that's why you get all of the vegetation and you have all of the large trees. But this is what happens when you develop land with respecting nature. And so actually along this whole path, there's houses here. This is actually right basically where we're going. That little key off into the very front is actually Anthony's Key Resort. We are very close to Spooky Channel. So for all those divers, you're wondering where we are. Well, the dive site outside of Lawson Rock is called Ras Hole, for anyone that is wondering. And Spooky Channel would be the biggest, the most famous dive site near the area that we were actually just over on one of the piers. So we're actually not quite over it. It's a little bit farther down the beach, but it was where it was completely green because all of the houses are hidden under the canopy, which is really nice, which shows that you can have development and still respect nature. And it's very green in this area. It is not one of the areas that's just getting bulldozed and, reshaped with no trees. You can tell a little slight bias there. I think there's a balance in development and keeping what's green. And one of the nice things about Lawson Rock, I suppose you could say the whole North Shore used to be mangroves. It's not anymore. There are some areas that still have mangroves, but this is a nice sandy area. It's also quite shallow. The reef is farther out from the island, so it used to be like a safe harbor for canoes and paddleboarding and things of that nature. But you can still see the island is very green. It has not been reshaped or maneuvered, even when Lawson Rock was brand new, which was right around 30 years ago. I've been around in the neighborhood. I've been on the island 17 years now. And it's just nice to, I figured it would be nice to redo some of these drone footage. It is quite windy right now, but we're actually going now onto the Lawson Rock condos. Over to the left was supposed to be a hotel and a shopping complex, but there's been a developer lawsuit for longer than I've been around the island. So if you're ever wondering if that's a red flag, green flag, I'm kind of indifferent to it right now. But what's nice is you have so many houses in this neighborhood, and I apologize for the quick turns. The wind was strong, but it's completely green, and I do hope that we're able to keep the island as green as possible. But there is a lot of homes in here. You just can't see them because they're under the canopy. Same with the Spooky Channel neighborhood that has been there quite some time. It's a lovely area, nice, quiet homes that are very they're beautiful, and all the trees have grown up, and you can see the main road here, but also just that beautiful reef, and you can see at where the waves are breaking right there. That's actually where the wall is, or where the official wall or the reef starts. So it is pretty far from where we're at. So it actually is some great snorkeling over here. Thank you for tuning in to our Sandy Bay tour. See you next time.